Hi, good morning, good afternoon, guys. I'm doing a review about this online business here that I joined. This business here launched in March. Business here launched in March 2020, and this business is called the Infinite Processing System, created by this lady that named Adriana Van Squares. I'm going to show you what the business is like. So let me just log into my account here. I'm here in my email, so I click here on start, and then I'm gonna click here. Now go to my website. So this here can give me access to my website. There's my website here. Let me see. Can't put it here when I load slow, right? Now log into members area. Here log into members area of this no limits, infinite no limit system. So this is my back. This is the membership. This is what you're going to get when you pay for your membership. And you just click on login. Just put in my email address and just put in my password. Yeah, so here you go. This is what you get when you purchase your product. So let me show you my website. This is my website right here. This is what you get when you purchase. You learn over $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media. This is what you get. You get your own professional website with your photo and your information on how to set up your website. Got step 1, get started, posting ads on social media, get paid, start collecting 100% commission. You can make $50 US to up to $300 US per sale. And these are the products here that you get right here. You start at level $50, you get these products. You get 30 marketing ads plus 20 bonus image ads, and a winning mindset. The art of persuasion, 7-day success plan, 6-figure closing print. So when you're getting started, just come on my website, click here, click join, join and start a level. This is what you're going to do. Click join right here. Depending on which level you want to join, right? You can click on that, and then you can pay then you can just go and pay for it. Just go back. Just click on that, you're going to pay for it. So you get step-by-step training. You have different levels. The level that you come in at is going to be the amount of money that you make. So if you come in at the $50 level, you're going to make $50 commission over and over by just letting people know about the system and just referring people to the opportunity. If you come in at $150 level, you can still make $150 commissions plus the $50, so you can make $200 per sale. If you come in at the kind of poor level, and you can have on this level right here, the elite level, you get $50 commissions plus $100 pre-written ads, 100 pre-written ads, and 7-day success plan, 6-figure script, Facebook marketing strategy, 60-day Facebook group, Craigslist marketing, YouTube marketing. You're gonna learn what digital marketing is all about. And if you want to come in at $50 level, and you can upgrade the other one when you feel like it. And the poor level is $300 US to join. And this is the top. This is the highest level that you can come in at. And you get a Facebook marketing strategy. You get a Facebook marketing strategy. and 200 pre-written bonus ads, winning mindset, 7-day successful plan, 6-figure closing script, Facebook marketing strategy, Craigslist marketing, and have your own professional business site here for life. So when you come, you can get your own, you can get step-by-step training on how to set up your website. And this is the members area. Let me go back in, let me log back in here. This is my website right here. This is your website is going to look like this here too as well. So this is the starter package. When you get started, when you first come, you come and click on the intro, step by step, get started. So and then you can click here on step 1, go through this step here, step by step, watch the videos, keep watching all these videos to learn how you can set up your website. And the purchase of a website now is $25. You get your purchase of your website for $25, extra fee. And just step by step training, just follow the step by step training, and you will succeed. I've got the winning mindset, persuasion, 7 days action plan for success, 50 pre-written ads, how to upgrade, Facebook marketing strategy, Craigslist. So when you purchase your website, you're gonna have to wait a minute. Then they're gonna send you your website through your email address. Then you're gonna go on your email and click on it, and that's where you can get started. Yeah, so they get your own professional website like this here. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below for you to get started. You can subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, because I live right here in Barbados. Yeah, I will create my YouTube channel because I'm actually a digital online marketer. I've been studying digital marketing for like over 4 years. And my plan is to become successful and teach other people how to become successful too as well. In this form of affiliate marketing, this world of affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing basically you could just come and promote other people's product for commission, promote your own product for commission. In this case, you can make from $50 direct to $300 per sale, and they have step-by-step training. Just follow the winning mindset. Just follow these instructions here step by step. And you get your 50 pre-written ads when you join us here. And you click on here. This is 50 pre-written ads you get paid to learn how to post these ads on social media. Like this one here, start today, get work today from home. I only have 3 businesses left. We have 50 pre-written ads plus 20 bonus image ads. So you get all these pre-written ads to post here on social media. Post these ads here on social media so that when you post these on social media, people come and request the info. Then you just send in your website and they click on it, explain to them how they could get started. And they pay for it, and that's how you make your money. You got these pre-written ads here, plus these post ads, video ads that you can post on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, whatever social platform that you want. You have your own professional website here for life. So this is one-time fee, one-time purchase plan. You have to do. No monthly fees, this is just a one-time fee. You could come in at the $50 level. You could pay your one-time fee, plus you got to pay for your website too as well. That's just a small extra $25 fee. And you have step-by-step video training right here. So this is what your website is going to be like. You're going to become your own boss. Yeah, this IPS stands for Infinite Processing System. Members area. We have over 1,000 members that join this opportunity already. Plus we have a Facebook group too as well. With over members having success. Let me log into Facebook. Log into Facebook, show you the group, show you what other members are show you how our members are having success there fast. You can become a member, you can become a part of this group too as well. Just log into the Facebook group, show you our income proof. So come here, this is our Facebook group. I'm going to show you the members area. This is the Infinite Processing System Proof group. So look at our members. This is the private group. We have 459 members and growing strong. Cause this business here have been launched just in March. This business just launched in March, right? At the beginning of March, and now we close to the ending of March. So in this group here we have 459 members, and this is what our members are saying in the group. Hello guys, please help me welcome my friend Cecilia. So people are inviting people to this business here. People having success. Everyone, please help me welcome Chelsea to the group. So people are joining this business opportunity and joining this group here every day. So this other lady here saying that Amanda Ware, she's a 6-figure earner. Thanks for the opportunity. Adriana Pascal just crossed $7,000 in 3 days. She made $7,000 in 3 days, showing you her income proof, her money. And more members. Everyone, please help me welcome. So once you can welcome other members and you can join the group.
Where do I purchase the product? Where do I go on to purchase the product?
Yeah, so this is Facebook group. We will remember that James Tumbler, IPS family, welcome Lonnie Mulcahy to the Maria to the group. Take a look around and let me know what you see. This is another fellow here. This is our income proof group. People join at the 4 level. People coming at the $50 level. Not the people here having success with this group. Yeah, so you can join up on my website that I sent you. Click on my website and then scroll down. You can see the $50 level, and then you can just click on that and just scroll down and click on the $50 level at the bottom, and just go through the payment processing. So just pay for the system there. You can see it on my website. Okay, let me go back. I have a question here. Let me show you. Alright, let me come here on my website. This is my website right here. That I have this is my website that I send out my link to people that want to become a member and become their own boss. So here's my website. So you scroll down. If you want to become a member, you scroll down. Let's go watch the video and come down. Right? This is me with Mel Carter. So when you click on my website and scroll down like this, follow the steps, so you can scroll down and find out how does it work and read all of this information. And these are the different levels right here. They got starter level, the $50 level, the $150 level, and $300 level. These are all one-time fees. So you scroll down. When you come here, you click on this one. You click on this button here, join starter level right here, and just go through the payment processing system. So when you click on join right here, this is what it's going to do. Right? Click on that. And it's going to load up like that. It's going to load up like this here now. I'm going to load like this here. That's my email address at the top. And you just enter your if you have a PayPal account, just enter your PayPal account number and your credit card number or what's not. And you just follow the directions and just pay, and you will have your professional website. Thanks for watching. I'm going to leave my link in the description down below. And thanks for watching. These are all the products you're going to have.